Hey YouTubes, you know what time it is. It's time to put our stock coils back in the Miata. Just kidding, I would rather die. What we're doing today is we're installing a new exhaust. It's gonna be super easy.
Good.
So first thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna look at it.
Yes. Can't we just like...
We're just gonna look
I
at,
feel like you should put it up
from the
like
cat back,
many more notches.
we got,
Well, he first
some
had
bolts
it on the floor, or on
there.
base level.
and I don't see
Yeah, I
any
think
more
this thing needs
bolts
to go up. I mean, you have
probably
like another-
until the back.
Yeah, I
but
think we
we're
need
gonna
to raise
start
this thing to the jack's highest
there.
points. Well, since he's gonna be under there,
We got bushings
his comfort level.
and
Yeah, but
hangers
I mean, you can't even. You
all
can't use your
over the
arm.
place.
I mean, you're gonna be like.
I've heard that there's problems with these hangers, the stock hangers, but
Nobody's listening to you. We want to raise this thing. He's talking to the
shouldn't be a problem.
Oh.
Alright, so those two bolts that I showed you, just got those babies loose, took them off, and the cat back area is free from the cat. Now all I see are hangers, bushings, and the exhaust prongs coming out and connecting to those bushings. So I'm just pushing those out. And we'll show you what they look like. Right here on this side where my finger is, you can see that this is coming off of the existing exhaust and is welded to the exhaust. So we can't take these guys off, but we can slip the metal out from the bushings, and I think it's just these all the way to the two bolts we took off. So we're just gonna slip all of those out and see if this thing falls down, and that would be ideal. And that's what we're doing now. Alright, so this is the final hanger. All I've been doing for the last 3 or so hangers is I've had this flathead here with some just regular hand soap because I don't have anything else to lubricate. And I've just been jamming the needle nose in all the way through and prying the exhaust out. The shotgun approach to this, I imagine. Probably want new hangers after this. And we're out. Alright, you can drop her. Okay. Oof. And that's one exhaust out. Look at this dainty little thing. Alright, so here's the two systems here. One thing I noticed is that taking the bushings off here is a straight, and here on the exact same part it's a curved part. So I think I'm going to need to take the bushing off of the car first and slip it onto here and put the bushings back on to the car after all the bushings are on the exhaust. Check that out. So, might be pretty difficult to get this bushing off. We'll find out. Here it is. No lube on it. Yeah, this baby's on there. And grab the needle nose, aka the flathead hand soap. Got it all the way through, and it's off. Look at this guy. All of my mangling didn't really break it. So this is going to go on the exhaust, and we're going to put the exhaust on the car with the bushings already on the exhaust. Alright, so we got the final piece here. We're going to bolt this in with the hangers on the exhaust. I've already bolted the other part of the exhaust. Super easy. Just get the hangers on, then bolt it in. And I'm going to put the hangers on here and bolt it in on this side here. Be careful not to dent this lovely exhaust. And we'll see how that goes. Alright, grab this here. Okay. Bring that in. And up. Okay, that's how that's going to connect.